Good morning to all of you. Today we will do the another topic of chapter 14, mode of class 10. In class 9 we have discussed finding the mode of the ungrouped data. What is mode? Mode is the value of the observations having the maximum frequency. Means mode is that observation which is occurring most of the time. In class 10, we shall discuss the ways of obtaining a mode of grouped data. In grouped frequency distribution, it is not possible to determine the mode by looking at the frequencies. It means in the grouped frequency distribution, there are classes, for example 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like this. So it is not possible to determine the mode by looking at the frequencies. So what we will do here? Here we will locate a class with the maximum frequency called the model class. It means for doing this, here we will locate a class which is called the model class. The mode is the value inside the model class. Now we will find the value inside the model class, and that is given by the formula mode is equal to L plus in bracket f1 minus f0 by double of f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiply h. Now what these are? Where L is the lower limit of the model class, h is the class size, f1 is the frequency of the model class, f0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, and f2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Now let us consider one example for understanding the concept. First example, the following table shows the ages of the patient admitted in the hospital during a year. Now the ages in year is 5 to 15, 15 to 25 and up to so on, and the number of patients 6, 11, 21, so on. Now find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of the central tendency. Now here I will find only mode. Mean you will do by yourself because it is already done in the last video. Now here the ages in years are in the interval form and the number of patients are here. Now how I will find the model class? See, this is frequencies. These are 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Now see which is the maximum value. 23 is the maximum value, and corresponding this the class that is called the model class. Now this maximum value is f1 and the frequency which is preceding it is f0 and the frequency which is succeeding it is f2. So we have the value of f1 is 23, f0 is 21 and f2 is 14, and our model class is 35 to 45 and the lower limit is 35 here, and h means the class width is 10. 45 minus 35 is 10. Now the formula for the mode is L plus in bracket f1 minus f0 by double of f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiply by h. Put all the values here and solve. After solving I am getting 36.8. It means the mode is 36.8. It represents that the age of the maximum number of the patient admitted in the hospital was 36.8 years. Now this is the procedure to find the mode. With the help of this example, you can do your exercise 14.2 complete.